You are welcome to the profile project. This is a little update. We are coming to start with the block laying, so you can see the blocks unpacked there. So in the week we know we'll be coming here, so we prepare to start. Then the major materials come when we are working here, as we be here. So we organize some 15 bags. We have our wheelbarrows and other tools in here, so that at least the morning can be smooth as they bring the rest of the materials. But here is it. They break our door, pick the 15 bars, pick our DPC, pick almost everything. They left what is rubber inside. What we used to fetch water, they just left those ones. So you can see, as they came stranded again, I have to let them go to town, organize for little one that we can start with because we have arrangement for everything here, which I have to go back again to buy the DPC and then bring them. So this is sometimes what we face. We cannot go back to the client, tell him this and this. Yeah, that is why sometimes when working we don't put all materials on site. No, when we are working we bring them. After usage we pack and go. Yeah. That is what we do. So thank you. You are welcome. Let me take you through the settings. This is the area for the carport, the frontage. So this is the frontage, the front porch. So this is the two isolated columns.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
You are once welcome to the profile project. We are on it little by little. Moving, this is the living area. Kitchen attached to the dining. We have the stairs to be here to the roof terrace. The kitchen store. Master bedroom. This is the division it having been raised here. The closet. And then the washroom. The other bedroom follows. You have the foyer and the porch at the front. And the other bedroom. You have the visitors WC and the utility around here. The laundry also. So that's it. Well, this is from